Hey guys, so I am back out here with Little Red. I got a Dremel. I had some type of saw thingy, whatever, that was for cutting metal, but it just decided to stop working. Or operator error, one of the two. Anyways, I got a Dremel. It's a long Dremel too. So I'm gonna try it and see. I'm not wearing safety glasses, I forgot them in the house. Oh well. Don't have to have them. I mean, you should, but I don't want them. Let's see here. Hold on. Ooh. Something in my eye. Whew. Okay, so I went and got the safety glasses, and I also ate and took a while in between my pause. Sorry. Under the truck. Oh, and I just hit my head. What's up? Perfect. This is the exhaust. I'm putting on. Had it on before, but I had to take it off because of this. It's like sparks and dust and everything else going off, so. Ugh. Okay. Okay, y'all are gonna stay here. I'm gonna go start it up and see. Ugh. Sounds better than it used to. It's just the exhaust tip. There's no just the exhaust tip making it sound a little better, which I like. It's just right. So I'm gonna edit this and make it shorter. But yeah. Extension cord all the way from the house over to here, under there. To the Dremel. Over here. Gotta take off both door panels. So I need that on the other side. Oops. Find it. Oh, it's in here all the time, but can't find it when I need it. It might be a small, it's flat. ahead. Hey. Of course, when I need something, it's not gonna be there. But if I didn't need it, there's of course. If I didn't need it, it would be right there. This is hard one-handed, but it's okay. There's no screws holding this in. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. The reason I'm taking this off is I'm getting the new, or I don't know if y'all can see this. This is missing, so I'm gonna get wood cut out and fit in that. Make new armrest door handle because beautiful. Where's that screw? So this is what my door looks like. I kind of broke the lock, like on the other side it has that. Kind of broke that goes down into here, so I can't lock it from the inside. I can lock it from the outside, which I always do. But, you know, the window. I'm gonna put it back on. Looks. I just realized it was paused. I thought it was recording for a while. So I don't know if I got any of me taking off the door panels. Or door panel. I don't know if I got any of that. I don't know when it stopped recording. But it was paused. So I took off my door panel. Because I'm getting new. This is going to be made out of wood. I cut and fit onto that. Probably going to clean that a little bit too. Yeah, so the exhaust thing looks pretty good on there. With my beautiful bodywork. Not bodywork. I guess you could call it bodywork. My beautiful rust repair, as you say. Same as the corners. We won't talk about it. See, this side works. On that side, though, I kind of broke the thing inside the lock. That. So, you know, that's fun, but it's okay. I know, I just had that screwdriver in my, oh, it's my pocket. Gotta get all that junk out of there. You just unlock the glove box and just don't toss the stuff in. Really? Okay. It's just gonna go there. I'm just gonna put this junk in there. Hold on. And then trash, which it's just it's gonna be in there for now. I don't know that it's gonna stay. Okay. So back to the weird looking screw. See, I'm not happy about that. I feel like this is all too tight or something. That looks so weird. With the door shut. Okay, well the screw's out, and that's not off. Where'd you go? There you go. See, it's worn on both sides. Might have put that on the wrong side. That might be why it was so tight to use. Like that, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna assume it's supposed to be like this. But oh well. Yeah, I only had one screw to take out of that door. And it was the door handle. It's missing every other screw, I guess. But this one, I know for a fact that there's other screws. Because last time I took it off, I put those in there. I didn't buy screws for this door. That has to be taken. My friend's USB, when I had the truck go to my school. My friend was in here and left the USB in here. Oh well. So this needs to be taken off. Wait. Does it? No, it doesn't. Okay. Does it? I'm gonna assume that it doesn't. And just hope for the best. But with my luck, it probably does. Come on, turn, stupid screw. I need to get all that old tint off. Here's my jack. The other one was not this long. It's the same. I really don't know why this one's taking so long. I'm using my left hand, which is not comfy at all. Because this hand is starting to hurt. My right hand is starting to hurt, so I switched to my left hand. See how long that screw is compared to... Okay. So that screw is meant to go to something else, but it's in my door. By the way, that cracked on the last time I put it on. Come on, I got to get the seal thingy. What you go in there? Come on, seal. Really? It's I need to get a new one of these. It's all worn out, but it's okay. No one's gonna know. No one's gonna know. It's like something glue on there. Anyways, so now that, dang it, I'm gonna lock that. Get that jerk off. My light needs to be off. But, you know. Because I'm missing a screw. That doesn't stay up there. Oh well. Let's see what screws need to be taken out. Just these, okay. Ooh, my hair. Oh, it's me. Don't know if you can see me or not, but you know. Is that even on? Okay. Okay, stay there, screw. And the other one's not gonna screw. Okay. Ooh, that hurts. Okay. So that screw's gonna stay right there. Hey. Check the fuse. I guess it won't take this out. I don't know how this little screw has anything to do with it, but how that's ever gonna go back in whenever I get the new thing on. I was kind of hoping that didn't have anything to do with it, but I think it does, which I hate. That's gonna be a problem. Let's see. Oh, that car's going so slow. So. That side does not have this. See, that side doesn't have this, so I didn't have to screw that in. We'll never get the thing put over that. There's gonna have to be a screw to go in there. I'm gonna have to figure that out. But this screw is gonna stay with it. Right there. Let me go back to this other door. There's that screw. You see, that's just broken. That's just completely broken. So I don't understand. I don't like that. It's gonna bother me. This side just has everything in it. So much dust. closed. Oh, let's go to that side. Okay. Well, just gonna go there for now. Oh, dang it, my keys are in there. How about I didn't lock this side? No, it's still locked. It's just gonna stay open. See, this is good. Oh, I'm just gonna leave it back there. Okay. Who's we gonna? I was just gonna stay there for now. Get my keys. That looks so weird. Hold on. And I just realized I've been holding the phone up this whole time, so the video's gonna be wonky. It's okay though. There's the key. That just looks so weird. That's just weird. It's okay though. So yeah, I'll see y'all guys later. Bye.